Okay, so welcome back. So sa video na to, solve natin yung CSRF where token validation depends on token being present. So sabi dito sa description, this lab's email change functionality is vulnerable to CSRF. To solve the lab, use your exploit server to host an HTML page that uses a CSRF attack to change the viewer's email address. So again, may credentials tayo, winner and Peter, no? So, ang main hint natin dito is token validation depends on token being present. So, keep that in mind kapag solve natin yung lab. So, access natin yung lab. And again, punta tayo sa my account. And login tayo as winner and Peter. So, ito ulit yung email change functionality. So, try natin ulit, jlearnph@gmail.com. And hanapin natin yung request sa burp, no? So, to change email. And send natin sa repeater. So, sabi sa atin, yung token validation daw ay dependent sa CSRF token being present, no? So, pag tinanggal natin yung CSRF token and palitan natin yung email address, dapat mag-change yung email, no? So, gawa tayo CSRF POC, engagement tools, generate CSRF POC. Kapag na-burp kayo, kapag hindi naman, just create a simple HTML page na nagsisend ng input using a form and sinesend yung form input na yun using a script, no? So, sa mga naka-burp pro, test in browser, copy, and lagay natin dito. And as you can see, na-change yung email, no? So, we can just now simply craft yung exploit natin. So, let's go to the exploit server. And copy-paste lang yung CSRF POC na ito. Dito sa body. And let's just change the email to 1234. So, let's store and deliver exploit to victim. And there you go. Na-solve na natin yung lab, no? So, essentially, chine-check lang dito if may token, then i-validate natin. Pero pag walang token, then hindi na natin i-validate. Then, pasada na sa CSRF check, no? So, ito yung isang vulnerability sa lab na to. So, I hope na-guess nyo to and see you in the next video.